Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need a lean setup and immediate actions. Create a Quora profile, add your YouTube channel link, and pick one specific niche so your answers attract the right viewers. Once done, follow 10 target questions and relevant spaces to appear in feeds. Use a concise bio that mentions your channel benefit. This primes clicks. Start answering daily, short value first, tease deeper content on your video. Make sure to favor high engagement questions rather than broad topics. You must write answers that both help and persuade. Lead with 2-3 quick tips so readers get value immediately, then expand with deeper context. Once done, insert your YouTube video naturally at the pivot point and include a timestamp summary for clarity. This increases watch intent. Make sure to use a bold opening line, 3 short subheaders, and a clear CTA like, "Watch the 2-minute demo." Vary sentence length, short commands plus explanatory sentences to maintain engagement. You scale by measuring and iterating. Track referral clicks, watch time, and subscriber conversion from each answer, then double down on formats that work. Once done, repurpose your best answers as question updates and into video descriptions to reinforce SEO signals. Make sure to test posting times and a /B headline or CTA wording to lift conversion. If engagement stalls, troubleshoot. Edit the opening, shorten or add timestamps, and refresh the thumbnail text. One targeted tweak often restores performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.